Lamprey. Alright, we are within Vertebrata, the vertebrates. The lamprey, along with the hagfish, they belong in the infraphylum Agnatha, the jawless fishes. Unlike their sister clade, Gnathostomata, they lack jaws. Modern-day agnathans are monophyletic, as they form a clade within the superclass Cyclostomi, but the infraphylum Agnatha as a whole is paraphyletic, as many fossil jawless fishes are more closely related to gnathostomes than to cyclostomes. So if the lamprey represents the Agnatha branch, our animal has to be a member of Gnathostomata. Ferret. We are within Laurasia, divided into 6 different orders: Eulipotyphla, Chiroptera, Pholidota, Carnivora, Perissodactyla, and Artiodactyla. The ferret is a carnivoran, so we have to choose a non-carnivoran Laurasiatherian. Beluga. We are within Artiodactyla, divided into 4 suborders: Hylopoda, Suina, Ruminantia, and Whippomorpha. Since the beluga belongs in this group, we are gonna eliminate this and guess one of these 3 suborders. Goat. Bovidae, divided into 10 subfamilies. Bovinae includes cattle and their close relatives. Epicerotinae includes the impala, which is not in the game. Nassotraginae, pygmy antelopes, not in the game. Antilopinae, gazelles, and their close antelope relatives. Cephalophynae includes duikers, not in the game. Oreotraginae includes a klipspringer, also not in the game. Reduncinae includes waterbugs or reedbugs. I don't think any of them are in the game. Caprinae, goats, sheep, and their relatives. Alcelaphinae includes wildebeests and their relatives. Hippotraginae, it includes the sable antelope and their relatives. So we have reduced it to 4 options. Cattle. Alright, the genus Bos. According to the game, we only have one other option for the genus Bos. Yak. And our animal is the yak.